had water literally flowing beneath the house. So in our due diligence to mitigate further harm, we called Master Services. Jacob Muncie came here. He was very kind, very nice, explained things to us in detail, was very patient with us because, we were a little bit freaked out about what was going on. I call them Team Alfred, so it was Alfred, Andy, and Jeremy were here. They showed up, they went underneath the house, a crawl space isn't very big, and they worked underneath the house for 3 days, seldom taking a break. I'm just really grateful because I have not experienced for a long time anybody who took pride in what they did, pride in their product. They clearly did. They took time again to explain things to us. They did an amazing job. They're respectful, professional. I just can't find enough good words to say. My husband happens to be a plumber. He's in the industry, and he's really picky. I mean, he's kind of a pain in the butt when it comes to picky, and he didn't complain about a single thing. He actually had words of praise. So if my husband is praising somebody else's work, it's darn good. Looking at what I've been going through with multiple different things in my life right now, where everything is so much work for the customer, the consumer, the person who's paying for the product. Whereas Master Services came in, I didn't really have to do anything other than schedule the initial appointment. Everything was well laid out, well communicated, and the product is amazing. Even I will go underneath the house now. Professionalism to me is critically important anytime you're dealing with the public. And I just can't say enough about all three of them, Alfred, Andy, and Jeremy. Excellent communicators, no issues whatsoever, and just so professional, so hardworking, and just like I just felt like the compassion that they had for us after what we've been through. It was clear to me that they actually not only cared about their product, what they do, and take pride in their work, but that they truly cared about me as like the consumer, the person for whom they were producing this product. Normally I don't like to put myself out there, but because they did such a good job, I feel like in my duty to them, my thanks to them, I just wanted to make sure that I said thank you to them and to Master Services for actually literally saving our home.